Hello everyone, it's 17th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have NIA arrests 8 of suicide bomber in Redford blast case. Again very important for internal security perspective. Then we have 27 Manrega workers out of the list amid eKYC rollout. Again very important news. Then we have moving forward an uncertain solar powered future. Again very important for environment perspective as well as development perspective. Moving forward we have our digital personal data protection rules, again very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have how is the global precision medicine market shaping up, again very important for economy as well as health perspective. Then we have where Booker's prize winner, again very important news. Moving forward we have Article 32 enables people to approach SC for fundamental rights, says CGI Gawai, again very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have destruction of illegal poppy fields, machinery intensified in Manipur, again very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have army sets up 3 new garrison near the strategic Siliguri corridor, again very important for defense perspective. Then we have Jay Shankar, Qatar PM, discuss bilateral cooperation, again very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward we have India to spruce up mechanisms for accessing climate finance, again very important for climate perspective. Then we have crowds throng India Education Expo in UAE, again very important for education perspective as well as international relations perspective. Then we have how tax break is reshaping health insurance choices, again very important for health perspective. Moving forward we have the world page where we have Russia claims to have seized 2 new villages in southern Ukraine. Then we have Bangladesh tense ahead of ITC verdict on Hasina Khan Kamal. Then we have Lahore lawyers to protect against 27th amendment. Then we have Iran no longer enriches uranium at any site in the country. Then we have UK to make refugee status temporary settlement harder. And lastly we have China Coast Guard ship sailed through Japan administered Shinkaku Islands. All these news are very important for international relations perspective, and that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.